Years and years, welcome to TharBar Thoughts. Today's Saturday done questions are about the space. First question: what is a blue moon? The second full moon of a month is called blue moon. And this is the further detail about the blue moon. Question number 2: what are the Big Dipper and in examples of in the night sky? So it is the constellations. What is a nebula? So nebula is a giant cloud of dust and gas. Question number 4: what is the place where projectors are used to show the night sky? So this place is planetarium. Question number 5: what is the cargo of a spacecraft called? So the cargo of a spacecraft is called payload. Question number 6: what is the name of a place that uses telescopes and other scientific equipment to research space and astronomy? So the name of this place is an observatory. Question number 7: who was the first man in space? So the first man in space was Yuri Gagarin. Question number 8: which is the hottest planet in the solar system? So the hottest planet in the solar system is Venus. Question number 9: do astronauts grow taller in space? Yes, by an inch or two due to lack of gravity. Question number last one: which planet has had most missions sent to it than any other? So this planet is Mars.